Good evening, and welcome to Unpacking the Headlines. Tonight, we bring you the latest updates regarding the ongoing investigation into the tragic death of a young doctor at RG Kar Medical College in Kolkata. New developments have come to light. The Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, has intensified its probe following widespread public outcry and mounting pressure from the medical community. Preliminary forensic reports suggest that the victim was indeed sexually assaulted before being murdered. This has further intensified the investigation, with the CBI focusing on gathering concrete evidence to bring the culprits to justice. The CBI has proposed conducting lie detector tests on several colleagues of the victim, raising suspicions about possible internal involvement. These tests are expected to provide crucial insights into the events leading up to the crime. Protests by medical students and professionals have continued to escalate. The demonstrators are demanding swift justice and stronger measures to protect the safety of women in educational institutions, particularly in the medical field, which is already under immense stress. The West Bengal government has promised full cooperation with the CBI. Additionally, there have been calls for revising safety protocols within hostels and educational institutions to prevent such incidents in the future. The victim's family has expressed their grief and demanded that no stone be left unturned in bringing the perpetrators to justice. They have also requested that the case be fast-tracked, given the severity of the crime. This case has sent shockwaves through the entire nation, with many calling for urgent reforms to ensure the safety of women in all sectors. The CBI is expected to release further details as the investigation progresses, and the public remains hopeful that justice will be served. As the investigation continues, the focus remains on bringing the culprits to justice and ensuring that such heinous acts are not repeated. The CBI's involvement is a step in the right direction, but it is crucial that the investigation is thorough and unbiased, leading to a resolution that provides closure to the victim's family and the medical community. We will continue to follow this story closely and provide updates as more information becomes available. This is a developing story, and the quest for justice is far from over. Thank you for joining us tonight. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest news.